Hi everyone! In today's how-to video, we are going to answer the question, how do we test a fuse? So, what's a fuse? In electric engineering, it's a device that breaks an electric circuit when the current rate exceeds a specific permissible value. Virtually every appliance is equipped with a so-called thermal fuse, which opens or blows when a short circuit of an electrical overload happens. This is the thinnest link of the electric circuit that's specifically designed to fail in a way to protect the entire circuit or a device. A functional test of any device starts with a fuse test. Please remember to disconnect any device from the mains before starting the test. The fuse often looks like a glass tube with metal contacts connected with a thin wire. This is why you should start with a visual inspection of the fuse. However, the result won't always be correct. For example, the integrity of a ceramic fuse cannot be determined through visual inspection. The fuse is a conductor, so use a multimeter in the continuity test mode. When the fuse is operational, the multimeter beeps. If the fuse is blown, there will be no beep even the multimeter isn't equipped with this function. Let's now check the resistance. The resistance of an operational fuse is below 1 ohm, while that of a blown one goes to infinity, and the multimeter will indicate the exceedance of the measuring range. If you don't have a multimeter at hand, you can put together a simple electric circuit and check the fuse with makeshift means. Thanks for watching. Like this video and leave your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, bye.